Okay, the service of the Kenmore 20 refrigerator is complete. I'm going to do a walkthrough and then we'll start it up again. So, the outside really didn't come out as good as I was hoping. There's a lot of scuffs and stains and splatters on the outside that didn't come up. I was hoping they would. But they didn't. Well, some of them did. But overall, it's a lot cleaner and, it's good. I don't know where the shelf went. But yeah. Cleaned off all the mold from the gasket. Now, here's what I'm really happy about. The lights work. So not only did this have 2 burned out bulbs previously, but the light itself didn't work. There was a loose wire, so I fixed that and got 2 new light bulbs for it. It is bright, and you really can't beat these old fridges with the shiny silver and the incandescent light. They just have so much detail, and they look so cool. So I was really happy to get the light going on this. And it's so much cleaner in here. I didn't get this in the last video, but here's the information tag. It's from 1991. The controls. The handy bin and the butter bin. It's all very clean. The other thing I did was I lubricated this switch because it kind of needs it. So now it would take a long time to come on. Now it's much quicker. I cleaned out all the coils. This was all dusty before, now it's nice and black again. And overall, just came out pretty nicely. Let's go ahead and start it up. I'm gonna try this moisture control thing because there is a lot of moisture in here previously, so maybe this will work. I don't know. Might be one of those features that's just a gimmick, but we'll see. And it was set to 5 before, so let's hear it start up. I heard the refrigerant go through. It's an R12, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's already getting cold. This is a fantastic refrigerator. I put a bottle of water in here and it was all the way frozen in about an hour. And that's just, on what they recommend. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, I'm just now noticing how much quieter it is. That's amazing. Okay, bye.